With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, the problem is two balls of equal mass have a head-on collision with a speed of 6 meters per second. If the coefficient of restitution is 1/3, find the speed of each ball after impact in meter per second. Okay, so let us see the scenario. Suppose before the collision, these two were the balls. Suppose mass of each ball is m, okay, and it is moving with 6 meters per second, and it is also moving with 6 meters per second. Okay, so this is before collision. Okay, before collision, and after collision the situation will be like this. Here is one ball, here is another, and they will be moving in opposite direction with some speed v. Okay, and both of the ball will move with the same speed v because both have initial same speed and also the same mass. Okay, so now this is after collision. After collision, okay, now we are given that the coefficient of restitution, that is E, is equal to 1/3. Okay, and we know that the E is v2 minus v1, that is final velocity of ball 2 minus final velocity of ball 1 upon u2, sorry, not u2, u1, that is initial velocity of ball 1 minus initial velocity of ball 2. Okay, so putting the values, we will be getting v2 is v. Okay, now if we take this direction as positive direction, so we will write v plus v, okay, upon u is 6 meters per second. Okay, and this will plus 6 because they both are moving in opposite direction, so this u2 will become minus of minus u2, and that is plus 6. Okay, so this will give us 2v upon 12, that is v upon 6. Okay, now the value of E is given to us, that is 1/3, so we will write v upon 6 is equal to 1/3, that is v is equal to 2 meters per second. Okay, so this is the speed of each ball after collision. So which option is correct? Option 2 is the correct option. Okay, 2 meters per second. Thank you for watching.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.